Hey guys, this is an amazing toy you need if you have a cat. This is an electric ball, and as you can see, it moves by itself. Rocco absolutely loves it when it rolls under the furniture so he can chase it. As a pet owner, I love this toy because if I have to go out of the house and leave my cats for a bit, I know that they can entertain themselves. Because if I'm not there to throw them a ball, I know they'll be entertained with this one. If you're sick of buying cat toys that only last a week, then look no further because this ball is for you. It's rechargeable so your cats can enjoy it again and again. This ball has provided my cats so much entertainment, and it is definitely one of my favourite purchases. They're only a few pounds on TikTok Shop, so if you want to get one yourself, the link will be on the video and my showcase.